Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Arya. So in today's video, I am going to give another makeover to my study, or you can say home office area. And in this video, I am going to tell you how you can set a study area for your children, because it's very important to have a nice attractive study area in this lockdown so that they can sit there and just study, or they can attend their online classes. But we don't have any kids at home, so I am going to tell you an alternative for all the products if you have a child. I am giving all the links of all the products in the description box below. Also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. And now without further ado, let's start the video.
I'm having a study table and two shelves over it. So I'm using this display board. It is having a pin board and a board where you can write with the marker, and it came with this marker, some pins and a duster. So I hanged it there. Then I'm using this cute little calendar. It's very pretty, and I place it over the shelf, and these are the alternatives for the kids. Then I'm using this nice golden clock, and I placed it there, and these are the alternatives for the kids again. Then I'm using this golden book stand to put my books, and I placed my books in it. So I got these diaries way back. I thought to share with you guys. These are very stylish. I really like them. Then I placed some books on the above shelf as well. I'm using this money plant to place here because money plants look very nice in such kind of decor. Then I'm using this cane basket to have my all the chargers and mouse. Then I'm placing a photo frame with our photograph and a bamboo plant. Then I'm using these two cute Buddhas, and I place them there. This is a table lamp, and it's a chargeable table lamp. I really liked it. Then this is a rose gold shade pen stand, and it has 3 compartments. So I just placed all of my pens and stationeries which I require on daily basis in this pen stand. You can buy such kind of pen stands for your kids. I DIYed this quotation kind of stand some days back, so I thought to put it here. Then I hang this metal mesh work. I have shown it in my previous study area makeover as well. For me, an organized home office is a must, so I got these organizers, and they are very good to organize all kind of stationeries. So in one I placed my sketch pens, in others I placed some more stationeries which I require.
So I found this calculator, which is I think an extremely important tool for daily purposes, because it can solve various problems in just seconds. But what if you can solve the problems on your fingertips without using calculator, because you cannot take calculator everywhere, right? And therefore it is very important for every child to have a strong base in subject maths. But because of the lockdown, it's not possible to go to tuitions, even the schools are closed. So what we can do about it? Don't worry, I have a solution. It is an online learning platform called QMath. QMath is India's #1 after school learning program for maths and coding for the students between KG to 12th standard. They offer live personalized classes also, and the classes usually are of less strength so that the teachers can give attention to each and every student. And they're currently providing their services in 15 plus countries including UK, USA and India. QMath cover all the major curriculums present in India like ICSE, CBSE, state boards. This platform integrates interactive methods in teaching by showing the real life world examples, which helps in making the concepts in the mind of the students instead of just memorizing the formulas. And this helps the students to become critical thinkers and apply maths in the real life, and ultimately it strengthens the foundation of the maths subject. QMath teaches maths with the visual concepts that has a very strong impact on the child's mind. It is always said that the things which you learn thoroughly will always stay with you throughout your life, and maths is not a problem to be solved, it is a concept to be understood. So what you are waiting for? Just go and book your free demo class right now. I have given the link in the description box below, and let me know in the comment section below if you also love their way of teaching.
Then this is other organizer. It's little bit costly, but it's very sturdy. It will survive for years. And here I am organizing some wires in it instead of the stationaries, because we have lots of headphones, chargers, mic. and I am using this space for our laptop chargers. It's quite spacious.
So guys, this was all for today. This video was in paid collaboration with QMath. I hope you liked the video, and again, all the product links are mentioned in the description box below. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. There is one more video related to the study area makeover, so I will give the link in the description box below, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.